What's your name, bro?
Oh,
Jay's,
okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We got a nice one for you today. Child support. We're going to go ahead and dive right into this. We're live on their Telegram at the same time, and we're going to go ahead and read through it, get with it, and rock with it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, we're going to pull up our YouTube feed right here so that way we are live at the same time in the chat and on the YouTube channel, and so we could drop the link for them. All right, let's go ahead and get into our channel so we can copy our links and we can rock with them and we can hit our own likes and we can see the support. All right, so mad love, respect, and support rocking out in there. Now we got live in the Telegram right now. We ended up seeing some information and I popped on over and we had some of their moderators in the chat and they actually were very welcoming, so that's why we're getting with it. Okay, all right, so we got our drop links, we got our thumbnails, we got the video rocking, and you're going to get the Telegram group. You're going to get all the information, which is going to be inside the video, inside the description of the video, and then we are also going to push out promo, pop the video so we can get them likes, them retweets, and then pushes with the comments. Make sure to use all the hashtags, and make sure to stop by the official communities only, guys. Get with it, do your own research, and rock with it. You are chilling, and flipping out with Jay's Strategies. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Join the Telegram chat. You can ask questions. You can also be in the Telegram chat. We are live talking on the mic, and we are going with it. Child support. All right, so what is this project? All right, so I did actually look into it, and I did a little, skim through, but this time I'm going to go ahead and just read through some of the stuff and just see what it is. Child support. When you think of the word child support, you think of, okay, paying child support in order to support a child of which you were a mother or a father, that you are paying to support a child. So child support is aiming to create a community around the project with the main goal to help children around the world. So I already like that idea, helping children around the world, because you could see sometimes when children don't have the certain parents in their lives, okay, that starts to pull away and starts to isolate them. So if there's ways that we can push out there and we can help the children of the world and we can get everything lined up and rocking, that is definitely something that's bullish that I would love to be invested in. Okay, you got your click links where you can buy right now, Pancake Swap, and we got the white paper. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to swing through this web page where we got here right now. All right, don't forget to swing by their Twitter page. All right, so their Twitter page, they're pushing it, they're pumping it, okay, and they drop their info, they drop their news, they drop their different tweets and information that is coming out about the project, their call groups and their promos. So there's a lot of different information that you can rock out and you can get it, okay, and we're going to have all of that information in the descriptions of the video and rocking and pushing it. And I can actually go ahead and I can copy this and I can swing on by and I can drop that inside the chat for anybody that's pushing by and swinging by here. Okay, so the Twitter page, well informed, and this is something that I was reading through and I was like, ding ding, the light goes on, and I'm thinking about long-term investments. Buy on Pancake, okay, buy CS tokens. You could do it right here on their webpage, all right? So they have a actual app, a D app, a swap that's actually initiated. So you're going to be connecting your wallet. It's from FLOOZ, and you see that a lot, that a lot of front end pages in the JavaScript are utilizing that swap in order to swap their tokens with their native chain. So it looks, and you can see that they are on BNB, which is the BSC chain. Okay, so you can swap right there, or you can go through Pancake Swap. All right, so you can see they're on Pancake Swap with their liquidity. All right, so when you hop on over here and you see the charts, you can see that they're sitting at a nice market cap, which is 3,481,944. They got 621 BNB in liquidity, which is 189,000, which is really bullish. Okay. We swing over here, okay, and we take a look at child support. We go into the contract, and let's just go ahead and see how they're doing overall. They have their dev wallet, they have marketing wallet, and I always like to swing by and see. So it looks like they're utilizing the marketing wallet to pay out for, you know, different kind of adverts, promos, and stuff, etc. So any questions that you got about that, you can rock with it, get with it, and you can also learn to chill with the team inside their Telegram group. All right, so we're gonna take a look at that and see how they're doing overall. This is on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so as you can see, let me go ahead and pull this in on the 1 hour chart. All right, so I'm assuming that, let's see, what day was that? That's February 7th. Guys, what day was the exact launch for your for the project? Let's see. Okay.
Seven.
Okay, yep, perfect. All right, so you can see on the chart, yeah, slow moon, and you can see how the accumulation and the sideways trading, okay, as they were spreading the word and getting that information out there, so they were definitely bullish. Yeah, they were definitely bullish and moving towards the upside, and definitely slow mooning and no really crazy manipulation on the chart. And I like to look at the 1 hour charts because I am buying in on dips for long term. So there definitely was an opportunity here after their big pumps to the upside. And yet again, Jeets get wrecked, sellers get wrecked. You should already know this is a long-term project because they have a lot of information out on that website. So we're just going to swing through what we got and what we could read out to you guys. And then if you want to get with it, we talk with the team. We could do a much more in-detail information view and about the whole project. So you got this. You got their listings on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Let me see. Does it go? Yep, they have it coming right over here, which is excellent. And it is on 2,673 watch list, which is very interesting, which is good. A lot of watch lists. You can hit that over there. You can see the charts. Make sure to stop by. I'm going to go ahead and hit a bullish. And then to the moon. All right. So I post in there, we rock with it. So make sure to go ahead and hit it and add to your watch list, okay? And you can get all the information here through CoinMarketCap, and you can see their contracts and their chats and their website and information and much more. And you're getting that right on the listing sites. So that's actually really bullish information because they have their listings, okay? And they have had a really good upside movement, even though we had a little bit of a bearish move in the market. But then when the overall New York sessions pulled up and we had some bullish movements in the Binance market, you can see that they did pull up and they're pulling towards the upside. They're coming towards the top of their all-time highs. So this is definitely going to break out and hit another all-time high. So we're just sitting and we're grabbing those perfect DCA, okay? Due diligence, do your own research, and dollar cost average when you have the opportunities of the project, okay? Abstract.
I got a question.
Yeah, what's up?
Are you live right now on some channel?
Yes, I'm live right now on YouTube.
I think it's cool because you got like 3 parties that came over here just based off of that live right now.
Yep, I am live right now. Look, and I'm showing you guys live, and we're showing the Telegram channel. We're live on Telegram at the same time as YouTube. And we are also screen sharing on Telegram, showing you guys exactly how it works. So we're definitely utilizing multi-social, okay? So when you have a project and you want to utilize, more than one socials, so that's why we showed the Twitter, that's why we showed the Telegram, that's why we're live at the same time with the Telegram. We're live with the Twitter, and then we show the links, and we also drop the links to show for the Twitter page. And you can also chat and hit your information or whatever you got to say in the YouTube video, okay? And you can hit that video. Go ahead, smash those likes, and also share it. And you can get that with all the different hashtags that they utilize for their project, okay? All right, so abstract. Blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and the world of decentralized finance. All right. So DeFi has opened up a new financial system that everybody can benefit from without restrictions or borders. Digital currency is becoming more acceptable as a form of payment in financial transactions. Many organizations are exploring ways to record traditional forms of assets such as commercial bills, loyalty points into blockchains, usually in the form of consortium chains. So that would mean that they can utilize the blockchain to hold information on that. So just think, in years from now, people have blockchain ID numbers, and then that can have your whole health record, that can have all your information, and that could be on a blockchain where all the information is saved and it cannot be manipulated, okay? And the way that Bitcoin works with the proof of work and the mining, okay? Nothing can go over 50% of the network. But hey, you never know. 20 years from now, quantum computers, but we can get into more scientific stuff from that. So this is definitely really cool. So just thinking, different child support cases. What if they actually gave a child support case a blockchain number? How would that work? Going through for child support. With the latest features of blockchain like NFT, child support is aiming to create a modern platform for both trading of NFT and transparent charity platform. So actually blockchain like NFT, you can have like a case, or you can have different wallet ID numbers, and then you can track payments through blockchains as proof of payments, because right now utilizing and moving money through the banking system, okay, it takes 3 to 5 days, sometimes 7 days when you're moving big amount of funds. And what we've been talking about on some of the channels, and we've been watching the networks, how they've been utilizing the payment systems with the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and then also Ripple Labs as transfer of value and holding actual value, which is like a commodity asset such as gold, as Bitcoin being something that somebody can buy in as a 401k plan, and then that can utilize over those 10-year blocks and decade plans that would continuously grow from generation to next generation. So it's definitely really cool. All right. Problem. Nonprofits confront significant problems in terms of trust. Okay, approximately 1/3 of Americans do not trust organizations to spend their contributions wisely. Yeah, that's my one. And then I'll do that, and then I'm going to do this video. Let me just do this video. All right, so 60. Okay, and more than 60% of people worldwide do not believe in such organizations fulfill their aims. So when people are donating to organizations, all right, you want to know where the funds are going. So if you're donating to an organization and it's on a blockchain, okay, and you can see where the funds are going and how they're being spent, that would actually give you the key to make you feel safe in actually giving to that organization. Because I've known over time, and then just from working in the social media space and being out there, I'm always wondering, hey, what is that percentage that is actually going to the actual charity? Nonprofit and charity platforms currently face a lack of openness when it comes to how donations are spent, which is exactly what I was just talking about, So when they have money and it's utilized on the blockchain as value, okay, you can see how that money is spent and moved, okay? And it gives you a peace of mind. Exactly what we were saying. The nonprofit sector today is worth an estimated $2 trillion worldwide. Yet headlines in recent times have seen the sector stumble between corruption scandals, gross inefficiencies, false expenses, and misuse of funds, such as the 187 million misappropriation to cancer charities, okay, by that which was actually happening, and not knowing where funds are going, and that is not making people feel safe, and it is not utilizing and going to the right people for the right things, okay? And then we're going to go into a solution right here. All right. And we're going to rock with it. Let me just go ahead and swing by quick. We got our Telegram channel that we are live here in. And if you guys want to drop anything, let me just take a sip of my water. All right. So you can see all the shill from the Telegram group. Let me go ahead and grab that group info. Okay. Let me copy that link, and I'm going to drop it into the YouTube. All right. So there's the Telegram link right there. Okay. In the world of cryptocurrency, so solution, a block is the name given to a public transaction. Every time the related currency changes hands, whether through mining or direct payout, it is recorded in the ledger and made visible to all. So that's what we were talking about, blockchain. So inside those blocks, depending on how many transactions are inside those blocks, you can actually see, and here is an example. Sally had $10. Sally sent 5 to Joe, okay, and she had 5 left in her balance, and then that shows up in that block. And before that block is closed, everybody's balances have to align in order for that block to be cleared. All right. A smart contract is just is a phrase used to describe computer code that can facilitate the exchange of money, content, property, shares, or anything of value. Like I was saying before, okay, which would be awesome, utilizing, having different cases, different, associations and everything like that, so you know where the money's going and you can watch it in real time, okay? And then as it goes along, they have so much information that you can read through and you can get with them and rock with them in their chat. Smart contracts help you exchange money, property, shares, or anything of value in a transparent, conflict-free way while avoiding the servers of the middleman. All right, so we're talking about, moving money through banking systems. When you move money from the bank, you have to hit it. It's an ACH transaction, and then that has to get approved through the other banking system. They have to shake hands and then utilize that into that other account, and that's why it takes all that time. If you're using the blockchain, in that next block, after you put your transaction out to the network, you are then in that next block and your transaction's completed. All right. About child support, all right. So they have their community. Almost every new project in the blockchain market strives to capture the audience's attention and engagement. So they have their different socials, like I was showing you before, their Telegram, their Twitter, and you can go ahead and get in there and ask more information. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of stuff that they're going to be able to grow and push through this project. Decentralized, okay, autonomous charity. Okay, child support serves both as a decentralized autonomous charity and as an investment. So basically, by investing in the token, and like I'm saying, this is definitely something that is going to be long term over a long term time period. So when you get those good times to buy in and dollar cost average, this is going to be great for long term holders. All right, transparency is key. All right, so they have their admin team, their list, and they were rocking and they were out there inside the BC. All right, child support is a platform that connects the nonprofit community by providing an ecosystem of services through an easy to use interface, allowing full transparency and traceability of donations. So that's definitely excellent. Okay, the transparency is definitely key, because if you're a heavy investor or you're doing donations as part of tax write-offs and stuff like that, all of that information is right there and right there for you. Purpose, okay? Almost every new blockchain in the market strives to capture audience attention and engagement, like we were saying, okay? But they are aiming to create a community around the project with their main goal to help children around the world. Child support stands for something and represents all those who are willing to help the ones who need help, all right? Values, okay? Child support is a platform that connects the nonprofit community by providing an ecosystem of services through an easy-to-use interface, which would be DApps, which their development team, I'm sure, is working on the back end, on the test nets, and getting everything to work and push out to you guys. And just stay tuned for all their information that they got going on, allowing full transparency, traceability of donations. Okay, child support services include exchange and converting child support token into BUSD. Okay, and charity organizations can easily use the platform to accept crypto as a donation, and they've paved the way. So this is definitely really bullish, and I'm really liking this project, and I'm gonna follow through, and I'm gonna rock with it and get with them, and dive even deeper into this because there's just so much information. The management at Child Support believes that the underlying factor that will continue to define blockchain products is the ability to give people more power. So more power to the people, all right? So we can actually see where the money's going, and those big institutions won't have that crazy control, okay, for what is happening out there in the markets, okay? Now, their tokenomics, okay? So you can see that 1%, okay, and this is over the tokenomics, 1% development fee for the exchange, 1% burn, reflection to holders, which is actually awesome, 1% to influencers or loyal holders, 2% to donations, and then 3% to marketing and development. So they have it laid out, okay, which is awesome. Development fee for the development of the exchange, 1% of the fee will be charged for every transaction. This fee will be transferred to the exchange development wallet created especially for this purpose, okay, and then once the exchange is live, the tax will be removed. Exchange fee. Once the exchange is live, traders worldwide can use the platform for easy and effective trading. We will charge a competitive trading fee of 1.5% on every trade. We will distribute 11% of the collective fee to children as donations, and 1% will be redistributed to all active traders, which is actually awesome. And their roadmap, they're pushing through the roadmap. They got their listings going on, and they are utilizing a bunch of the information that they're going to be dropping in their development parts, which I cannot wait to see it and use it and show you guys live getting through that. So development of their website, this website is definitely filled with all kinds of awesome information, and it's really detailed. All right, they have plans to get on centralized exchanges, okay, to utilize and push out the name and the branding, okay, exchange licensing, so actually utilizing a full exchange that is also going to use a percentage that is going to be going to donation to different children and charities, and it's transparent, and you're going to be able to see where it's going to be on the blockchain. So that's awesome. Global marketing, partnerships, and much, much more. So I can't wait until I see more stuff on this page. All right. And as they talked about, you got influencers, loyal holders, and just like we were saying, we just want to do a video, drop by, and shoot the breeze and talk about the project. Community we talked about, accessibility, payments made in crypto are handled fast and cannot be backed by any authority such as a bank. So we were talking about that, using the blockchain and using the information and getting that in there inside these smart contracts is definitely a key utility to be used in this space, and I'm loving it, okay? Privacy, and then centralized exchange. So they're definitely going to have a lot of development on the back end. So I'm going to be loving to see betas and stuff as they drop to be able to utilize it and get a deeper dive into the project, okay? And then you can hit your contacts. You can shoot over to the Telegram page. You can get their email address, okay? And I see they were linked up with Pink Sale for their sales. You got GitHub, where you can go ahead and read the different papers and information, and make sure you hit up their Twitter page. Get over there to the Twitter page so you hit all of their information. All right. We actually got a new Twitter page that we're pushing out, okay? And we're going to be rocking and pumping it and pushing it and pulling out our different information that we got going on there. Mad love and respect to everybody that's rocking out and pushing on the project. You guys have been chilling with J Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto